The standard state of a chemical substance is its phase, solid, liquid, or gas, at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere of pressure. The temperature-pressure combo is often called room conditions. 2 elements are liquid in their standard state, and they are mercury and bromine. 11 elements are gas in their standard state, which are all of the noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Additionally, the 2 halogens fluorine and chlorine are gases in their standard state. And we cannot forget about hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. All other elements are solid in their standard state. Although the enthalpies of substances are relatively independent of pressure and of concentration, their entropies and free energies do depend on pressure and concentration. When you look at